The Mindset Mastery Curriculum is a powerful hands-on experience with 28 modules for K-12 schools that teaches students socio-emotional learning skills such as emotional awareness and management, social awareness and relationship skills, responsible decision-making, growth mindset, living with purpose, creating empowering beliefs, and much more. Students develop an unstoppable mindset that increases happiness, confidence, and resilience so they can thrive in all areas of their lives. The curriculum is purpose-driven because when students apply their passion to serving others, they're more intrinsically motivated, happy, and resilient. Our brain research-based lessons optimize student excitement, learning, and retention as students discover the content through kinesthetic learning adventures, engaging explainer videos, culturally responsive teaching and relatable examples, and rich discussion opportunities. All students have equitable access to the content, no matter what their learning differences may be, by integrating scaffolds and technology to create a fully immersive experience. With sentence frames, graphic organizers, QR codes for text-to-speech access, explainer videos with a text version, embedded think time, all learners thrive and their progress is right at your fingertips. The curriculum is web-based and easy to use with minimum preparation time. Lesson plans are thorough and provide possible answers, follow-up questions, teacher tips, and extension activities. Each lesson includes teacher materials, lesson support videos, and pacing supports such as slide timings and a progress bar. Lessons include a starter activity, an engaging hook, embedded teacher scripts, a hands-on learning experience, discussion opportunities, a closing activity, and an instant lesson feedback form. The Mindset Mastery Curriculum is a complete and powerful SEL experience. Begin creating unstoppable mindsets today.